First day in Germany.
What a stress to cross the street without a traffic light, man.
1 week in Germany.
Oh, what are you doing? You out of your mind?
What do you mean?
Or are you crossing the street without looking?
It's a zebra crossing.
Exactly, and doesn't have a traffic light. I just saved your life. You're welcome.
You know the cars will stop, right? They have to. 1 month in Germany.
Oh, the cars really stop when they see someone crossing the street and they don't even honk it. That's incredible. I can't believe it.